Are you the only singing member of the Trash Men?
Well, actually, Dick,
The poor man's all out of breath. Catch your breath a second here. No, well, I'll ask you again. Are you the only... And I hesitate. I put quote, unquote, because there will be some cynics who will listen to that and say, singing? What kind of business? It's a strange sound. Did you create it?
yes, I have to agree with you. It is a very strange sound.
And the music was Surfin' Bird by the Trash Men and whatever Beatles albums. There were like 2 or 3 albums that were released at the same time. And it was one really incredible, dance of anarchy.
McLuhan did an essay, commented on an essay in the late 60s called The Word of the Year. And every year there were, over the last, say, 50s and 60s, there was a word that was the buzzword of that 12-month period. And it went through all the buzzwords. So you have the word of the year. So the bird is a word. So rock and roll says... this, whatever, what would be the buzzword in 62, 63? Cuban Missile Crisis, Castro, whatever that was, Something about that. Fallout shelters. The rock comes on and makes fun of that and says, no, this absurd little thing is the word, not serious stuff. So there's the sort of childish, mocking level of rock. And that provides a detachment, a sense of private identity for the consumer of that song, for the young kid. So I think it's great that he begins with that, because he repeats that line all over the whole song at the beginning of the book, Aesthetics of Rock. Yeah. That is what he's trying to explain.
Bird's the word. Oh, well, a bird. The bird's the word. Don't you know about the bird? Yeah, everybody's talking about the bird. You mean you don't know about the bird?
All right, today we're checking out the Trash Men. We're listening to the song Surfin' Bird. Let's get into it.
The Trash Men, the Surfin' Bird, let's get it.
We got the Trash Men, Surfin' Bird. Bird is the word, 1963 remastered.
The song that we're going to do is called The Surfin' Bird. It's also been called The Bird, and it's been called The Bird is the Word.
And first time checking out the Trash Men on the channel. And the name of this song is called Surfin' Bird. The bird is in the wind.
If it's too annoying for you, you may just want to skip this one, but...
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Yeah.
The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird. What? The bird's a winner, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird. The bird is a winner, well, a...
Hey, okay on the drums, though.
How is the bird dance beat and Surfin' Bird doing in the areas where you've been?
Bird Dance Beat is the one that's taking off now. Surfin' Bird was here, of course, that's what they know us for, but Bird Dance Beat, it's climbing up in the charts out here now, too. They're playing it a lot.
Well, just wonderful.
Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter. The bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child. The bird is the word. Lady on the toilet. The bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word. Well, a bird. Again, I love repetition.
And that's another meaning of the bird is a word. It's a phatic, what they call nonsense phrase. It doesn't have any real semantic meaning. Well, that's like pointing out the phatic nature of communication.
when did you do this thing, and what on earth inspired you to come up with and all of that crazy stuff?
Funniest sound I ever heard, and I can't understand a single word. Is he serious or is he playing? Oh, mama, is all he's saying, Papa.
And all of that crazy stuff, all of that crazy.
Was that a serious song or was that just like a troll?
I heard that record. I fell in love with it. I said, that has got to be a hit, and it was.
Well, probably I've just been watching too many Tarzan movies, but anyway, well, let me explain. First of all, we hadn't even decided on recording this particular tune, and
was this by any chance your first recording?
Yes, it is.
And it's your first. I don't know what you're going to do to follow this thing with. Do you have any ideas?
Well, we've got some things that are cooking right now, and we are going to try to come out with something possibly that might just resemble this song a little bit. We don't know yet.
I will shake your shoulders and move your feet. We're gonna stomp to the bird dance beat.